everyone, welcome to my channel again. It's been 3 months already that I didn't post here in my YouTube channel. Nakakamiss din pala. Kumusta kayo? Missed you all. Sana nandyan pa kayo. Okay, tama ng drama. Anyways, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung ako ngayon ay magsalita ng English, though ang aking English ay Bisaya English ang tono. Peace everyone. The reason is to give respect to the one who let me post this informations or this opportunity to my FB page. So please understand and bear with me, okay? And then this vlog are for those OFW who working here in Taiwan and seeking a job offer, okay? If you are here in Taiwan and then you're working here and then you will seek a job opportunity, so this is for your opportunity and this is for you. So please watch and go fighting. If you are interested in it, just click the informations. All you have to do is to answer the questionnaire or the transferred workers contact information link that I will post in the description below. So all you have to do again is to answer the transferred workers contact informations link that I will send or I will post in the description below. Okay, and then also the most important note, please don't ask if they need a male or female or what company, because all your possible questions are already there in the questionnaire, okay? So please understand, I am just a bridge here. I am just a bridge of this opportunity. So I really don't know anything. She just only want me to spread the words to let you try this job offer. So just only answer the questionnaire. And then if you are a caretaker, this is also for you. She said, again, baka magkamali ako. If you are a caretaker, she said is acceptable. But we are not the final decision maker. Again, I are just only a bridge of this opportunity. So just answer the questionnaire on my description below, okay? And then just submit and wait for the answer. They will just answer to your email if you submit to them already. Submit and then send to them. Okay, so that's it. That's all, brothers and sisters. Good luck. Pray for it and fighting. Okay, and please do subscribe my channel, share and like. Okay, and then thank you all. God bless everyone. Fighting, go, try it. Bye.